Hey guys, Andrew at Painless here, and today we're going to highlight our 73 to 87 square body harness. So this is going to cover everything Chevrolet or GMC for those years. One nice thing on this harness is we utilize a factory bulkhead connector, so this is going to mount the fuse block right in the factory location. You don't have to fill or modify the firewall any, and it makes it real easy to mount the fuse block just like the factory one. This harness is going to come with 18 fuses controlling 27 circuits, so it's going to cover all the factory options those trucks came with, all the different gauges that were offered, but if you want to go with an aftermarket set of gauges or do an aftermarket air conditioning setup, it's going to handle that stuff as well for you. This harness is going to utilize all factory GM color code, so it's really easy to identify if you ever look at any schematics. Also, all the wires are printed about every 10 inches, so you're going to know where the wire started, where it's coming from, and it makes it really easy to install. Another thing, this harness will also support the factory dual tank setup in all model years 73 to 1987. The bulk of this harness is going to come pre-terminated and plug and play. There's a few things that aren't, your engine wiring, stuff like that. We don't know what engine you're doing, but we make it really easy with our 150-page manual on how to hook any of that stuff up as well. These harnesses utilize a precision molded fuse block and use all modern bladed fuses, so none of the glass fuses that some of the earlier square bodies utilized. All of our harnesses are machine terminated and produced right here in Fort Worth, Texas, and we actually offer a lifetime warranty on all of our chassis wiring. If you're wiring another C10 and square body's not your thing, we cover the 63 to 66 as well as the 67 to 72 pickups as well. For any more information on this harness or any of our other offerings, just visit our website at painlessperformance.com or give our tech guys a call at 1-800-423-9696.